Hello my lovelies, it's Leah. We have a Lookiero unboxing for you this evening. It does have a couple of sale items in it. I just thought I'd share with you, as I have been doing these Lookiero unboxings, and some of you actually seem to enjoy seeing me unbox these clothes. So I have had a look. I haven't had a try on, but I've actually had a look to see what was in my box. I just can't actually wait. As soon as I get the box, I have to have a look, because that's just the way I am. I will say from the very start though, massively disappointed in this box. This is probably, I would have to say, like the worst box. Which is a bloody shame, because the first two boxes I had, Sophia was my personal shopper, and then the last two boxes I've had Olivia. Olivia did quite a good job last time. In fact, I probably would have cooked everything if I didn't have that silly handbag. So I was hoping that Olivia would have done just as a good job this time round. Now, I'm not saying the stuff is like totally horrible, it's just not my style. I have asked to be styled a rock chic. That's the way I like the clothes to be. I like blacks, I like greys, I like whites. Now obviously you get all different colour whites, you get different colour greys, you get different colour blacks. So I'm not just saying it's got to be a dark black, dark grey. No, there's lots and lots of different textures and variants of black, grey and white out there. Okay, so I'm going to look talking now because I'm getting myself annoyed, and I will show you what Olivia has sent me. Ta-da! Any of you who's watched my video last time will know I had this in my box. And I was in an hour and about keeping it because I do like it on principle. I didn't keep it because it's too short. I don't know how else I can say that I like my top to go past my bottom, because I'm very conscious of the size of my bum. I even went to the extent of getting a cardigan out to try it. And while I did like the cardigan, yes, I didn't like this enough to buy it last time. It is in the sale, however, this time, and I think Olivia thought she would send it to me because she knew that I liked it last time. Okay, so that's item one. Item two is a, stand up, see if you can see this. It's a hoodie. It's very heavy. It's got the hood as would be expected by a hoodie. It's got the strings. It's got elasticated at the wrist. It's very heavy, I will say that. It's got the pockets here. It's got the high-low at the back, and it's scalloped. I think it's just like, yeah. See the high-low. It's fleeced. No, it's like a sweatshirt. It's a thick, very thick sweatshirt type material. Okay, so that's the second piece. The third piece are, I have to say, I'm absolutely like shocked with this next pick. Ta-da! How do these constitute as a rock chic? They're green. I know you probably can't see the green, but they are green. You know, if these were in black or a faux leather, I would be in love with her and the trousers. I don't like this at all. There's nothing about this that I like. I mean, the stretch, I like the design. I just find the colour and the pattern, and I'm not quite... Look, I know that these stylists are trying to get you out of your comfort zone and trying to push you to try different things, and yes, there have been things that I've been sent that I wouldn't ordinarily would have gone and brought. That's partly why I do the subscription. But I would at least like one item in my box that I can buy per month that is my style. These are not my style. but I'm going to try them on for you. Okay, so they are zipper. They've got a button at the front. They've got real pockets side. They've got both pockets at the back. And I would say they were a skinny. Again, I can't sort of knock the quality of these clothes. You know, they're heavy, they are winter clothes, they're thick, they're very warm looking. I can't knock the quality. Again, this item, I absolutely do not like this either, 100%. Dinner. Top. It's quite sheer on the arms. I hate arms. What do you guys think of this? Again, it's a nice short one. You know, I have nowhere to wear this. I don't work in an office. I work with kids in leaving care, and their age range is around about 16 to 18. They would not take me seriously if I turned up in this. What I'm wearing now, it's a sweatshirt, pair of jeans, is what they respond to. There's somebody turning up with this on, a pin skirt on, pencil skirt even, sorry, stilettos, doesn't work. So I don't even know where I would even wear that if I liked it, and I don't. Okay, final outfit is this, yay, black. Yeah, it's not all bad. Okay, so this is another top. This is again a short top. It's supposed to look like it's actually two tops in one. So there's a band along here. I guess you probably can't see it. There's a different material to this. This is quite sheer. You can actually see through that. Without being a moaning mini, I probably, like, if this was longer, I'll say it again, longer to cover my bottom area, this would have been a keeper for me, because I actually do like the style. I do not like these buttons, and they're only on one side. They're brown, they're the size of a dinner plate. They don't look like they should be on this top, in my opinion. So that's another reason why I would not keep this top, unfortunately. So I'm feeling a bit rubbish about this box, and I'm sorry if I'm coming across as quite negative. It's just disappointing that I will probably be sending everything. In fact, I'll probably keep the t-shirt, as I'm going to lose out on my tenner. But that's about it out of this box. But I will do a try on, because obviously everyone's taste is different, so there might be some pieces there that you guys might like, and I don't know. I'm just flabbergasted with this box. So just bear with me. I will do the try on and I'll come back. Bye. Hi guys, so here we are back with the try on. So as you can see, I have got the red hoodie on. This is very comfortable, I must say. I do quite like this. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, it's alright.
It's nice, isn't it? It's very thick. Pocket area here. We have hood, drawstrings that pulls the hood in. Not that I would ever do that, but hey. Elasticated waist, and we have the high-low. So just about covers the bum area. But yeah, I quite like this actually, but I'm not sure I'll keep it, depending on the price. Okay, I'm just going to whip this off. And then we have this little baby. What do you think of this? I hate it. I'm not going to mess about. I am true with my videos. Anything I do like, I will buzz about it, but if I don't like it, I hate these sleeves. What is this all about? So when I have my dinner, these are going to flop in and out of my dinner for a start. Put the coat on, it'll be like this. No. I don't like the colours. I hate green. Didn't like it. So, what's your thoughts on this?
No.
No. Okay. And I know you guys that watch my videos have seen this little number because I had it last time. Although I do feel like Olivia was probably trying to do me a favour because it is in the sale. So again, depending on the price, I'll probably keep this because, as I said, if I don't keep something, I end up losing my £10. So out of everything, I'll keep this. Okay, I'm going to shove you on pause and I'll be back just with the trousers in the last top. 2 seconds. Okay, so back for the final outfit. And as you can see, I've got these lovely trousers on that I despise. I hate them. I love the fit and I love the design. I just can't get over the colour. And you can barely get your fingertips in the pocket, so I don't know what they're there for. And here's the lovely top. Is this covering my bottom?
Not really.
Not really, no. I don't like this middle thing here because I just think it just doesn't put me in proportion. If it was all of this material, a little bit longer, would have been a keeper. Or all of this material, a little bit longer, would have been a keeper. And I hate the brown buttons. So unnecessary. I don't understand what that is all about. Anyway, who am I? So that's the try on. I will be back with the final part of the video. Go through the prices and what I'm definitely going to keep and what I am going to return. So I'll catch you soon. Bye. Hi guys, so final bit of my video is paperwork time. So note my stylist sent me this time was, "Hi Leah, welcome back. In your Lookiero you'll receive some sale items so that you can enjoy a discount on the reduced items. My first choice is the printed tee by So. You liked it in your previous box, but with 30%, so you get advantage on sales. Wear it with the high-waisted jeans and the red hoodie. For a rock everyday outfit." Really? For your second outfit, I have chosen a black top by Warehouse to be combined with printed trousers, highlight your figure and achieve that classy touch you like. Wear with flats and a bomber for the day, or heels and a statement necklace at night. Finally, I selected the printed top. This is by Films a Must. Surprising and sexy with romantic vibes but with a rock twist. Combine it with coated jeans, style with pumps, a short jacket for a modern outfit. Enjoy your Lookiero experience, Olivia. Okay. We get this in our paperwork. It says, invite your friends to Lookiero. They'll get a 10% discount and you'll earn £10 credit for each friend who tries Lookiero. Enter the referral section in your private area and share your personal code with your friends. Now, I have had 5 people sign up for Lookiero. I got £50 on my Lookiero, so anything that I buy out of this box, obviously the money will come off that. So I just want to say a huge thank you to whoever signed up to Lookiero subscription using my code. I so appreciate you doing that for me, and the fact that I get £10 every time someone subscribes is a bit of a bonus. So thank you to those who did it. I don't know who did do it. I have emailed Lookiero because I would like to know and be able to say thank you individually, and I do appreciate it. Thank you. And we have our invoice next. Let's have a look, see what we got. Okay, so the trousers are, it says they're black. They're not black, are they? They're green to me. Okay. Well, these anyway are full price at £43.99. Next is the, I think it's this black one, this one, which has got 15%, so it was £39.90. With 50% off, it's now £33.92. Next was the Warehouse Turner Top, which was, oh, I don't know now, I'm all confused. Right, wait, bear with me. Okay, that's that one, £26. Then we have the Mesa, which was £32.90, 30% off takes it down to £23.03. Keep this. And then we have the red hoodie, you saw on my first try on. Full price on that was £44.99. And that was half price, 50% off, takes it down to £22.50. So I don't quite know how they worked this box out, because it's saying the subtotal not including any discounts was £149.44. Don't forget to apply your £10 discount, so take that off. What's more, if you keep all 5 items, you get 25 discount on new season style, and they've minus £15 for some reason, which takes my box down to £124.44. However, I've looked on my Lookiero site and the whole box is £74. So I don't know. If I keep the red hoodie and this t-shirt, because I've already got £50 from the referrals from you fabulous people, I would still have £15 in credit. So in essence, if I get this and this t-shirt, I don't have to pay anything, and I'll still have £15 for next time. Anyway, please apologise the rant. It is disappointing when you get boxes and clothes that you don't like, and because I feel like some of the stuff is a little bit overpriced, I would hope that they listen to the style that you like and you would actually get it. Unfortunately not, didn't happen this time, but hey ho, never mind. Don't forget, if there's any unboxings or anything you'd like me to try, let me know. Please comment, please like, please share, please subscribe. I literally only have like 13 or 14 subscribers at the moment, so tell your friends and help me out please, I would appreciate it. Anyway, have yourselves a nice evening, and I'm sorry about the lighting, but by the time I got in from work today it was obviously dark, and I have to get this lot sent back, as I'll end up getting charged for it, and I do not want that happening. Okay, so take care of yourselves, and hopefully I will see you very shortly on the next video. Bye for now. Bye.